Stop overthinking your data science setup in 2026 because the tool you choose will directly shape how fast you can explore data, build models, and get insights. Modern data science is not just about writing Python code anymore. It's about fast experimentation, interactive notebooks, visualizing results instantly, and being able to iterate quickly on ideas without constantly switching contexts. Today's workflows blend traditional coding environments with notebook-based exploration, giving you both structure and flexibility depending on the task. On one side, you have full development environments built for large-scale projects, advanced debugging, and production-level machine learning pipelines. On the other side, you have interactive notebook environments designed for rapid testing, data visualization, and storytelling with code all in one place. So before you decide, think about what you do most: building full data science applications and pipelines, or experimenting, analyzing data sets, and visualizing results step by step in an interactive way. In 2026, the best choice is not about which tool is more powerful. It's about which one matches your workflow in real data science work. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech breakdowns just like this one.